Hey everyone, my name is Christian and I am a founding engineer at Wordware. In today's video, I'm going to showcase our Zapier integration by building out a workflow that every day at a given time runs a WordApp and then outputs the results to a Google spreadsheet. The app we're going to use is our homegrown Alpaca Stock Picker, which reads today's headlines, uses an agent to determine what stock to buy, and executes that trade with the Alpaca Markets API and a custom code block. You can find it here in the Explore pages under Finance and Legal. To get it into your own project, you can use the Make Your Own version, which I have already done here, and then renamed it to the Daily Stock Picker. And here you can quickly see how it works with the web search, the structure generation, and the custom code execution. Now, onto the Zapier integration. After deploying your app, you will have access to a Deploy as a Workflow card. Here, you'll find some general inspiration for how to do integrations in WordWare, as well as a step-by-step guide on how to set it up. We're starting by getting a new API key. I'm just going to call mine Zapier and copy it like so. Now, you could do everything from zapier.com, but even better, you can do everything from WordWare. To start the integration, we need to set up a trigger. You can do so many things here. Some of my favorites are webhooks and email and listening to a new Gmail coming in, but today we're using the tried and tested schedule. We're going to pick the event every day, and we're further going to configure it to be 9:15 in the morning, but not on weekends. And for good measure, we're going to test it. Now, onto the fun part, the action. We're going to choose WordWare, of course, and before we do anything else, we are going to sign in. This is where the API key comes in handy. Just paste it in, and before you know it, you'll be authenticated. Next, we'll choose an action, namely Run App. That is going to give us access to all of the different apps across all of our projects. Here we can see the Daily Stock Picker. We're going to choose it. Furthermore, we're going to choose a version. If the app had custom inputs, those would have also shown up here, but because the app doesn't have that, we'll just click continue. Now, testing is very important with Zapier and with WordWare in general. And because we've never run this app before, we're going to get this message telling us to run it at least once so that we can simulate the kind of outputs we can expect to get in the future. Just open your nearest terminal and paste in the command just like so, and that's going to kick off the execution. And now we just wait until it finishes. And just like that, we should be able to retest the step. There, much better. Now we can see all the outputs, including the most important parts, the company name and the company stock symbol. But we're not done yet. I want to add another step, integrating with Google Sheets. Just like so. Here as well, you need to search to select an account. I'm going to use my WordWare account, and I'm going to create a spreadsheet row. I'll choose my Google Drive and the stocks to buy spreadsheets and the worksheets. And furthermore, I'll start filling in dynamic data. The first one I'm going to take from the Zapier event, just the date. Then I'm going to go on to extract data from the WordApp. Here we have the corporation name, and down here we have the stock ticker. Finally, we're also just going to input the run ID in case we need to reference it at some point. And just like that, I'm going to test my step. And voila, that has effectively shown up here in my worksheets. Now, unfortunately, I can't publish this because it requires a paid Zapier integration, but that shouldn't stop you. I can't wait to see what you're all going to build. This has been Christian. Have fun.